Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another Venmo card. So first, let me just tell you that I'm not going to provide an inside app tutorial, so an interface tutorial, because I cannot log in into Venmo at the moment. I'm outside the US. And keep in mind that you have a card limit, so you'll not be able to connect or add more than 4 cards into your Venmo account. So if you're trying to do so, I guess you'll be able to exceed this limits for, but I guess the first card that you added will be deleted after 6 months or something like that. But we'll make sure of that. So, how to add first of all another Venmo card. This is basically, of course, if you want to update your Venmo card, you can just go to Venmo to the cards tab, click on the card that you want to update, choose replace stolen or damaged card. As an example, this if you want to replace the card. And this is basically going to be the same. So how to add another like Venmo card? It's going to be the same as adding or add a Venmo card. It's going to be basically the same. So how to do it? Basically click on the Me tab, click on the Wallet section, scroll down to Banks and Cards, click on Add a Bank or Card, then select the preferred verification methods. And as I said before, simply, of course, you'll have then to enter the informations of your card, and it will do, of course, once you enter and click on Verify, it will send some micro transfer transactions like send and withdraw from that card to check if it's everything cool. And yeah, it should be good to go. And of course, payments funded by credit card are subject to a standard 3% fee. And yeah, this is what I told you about. So how many cards can I add to Venmo? It's going to be probably the four card rule and limits. Means once you add your card to Venmo, it will count against your card limits for 6 months, even if you delete it. So card applied to this 4 card limits. If it was added fewer than 6 months ago, even if it has since been deleted. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's how you do it basically. Thank you for watching and goodbye.